Hi, I'm Jen and today I'm here with Judy Plum Wigs to show you the Relax Wig from the Ellen Wille Hair Power collection. This is a gorgeous heat-friendly style, meaning that you can really personalise the way that she is sitting on your head. If you wanted to add a little wave, add some little flicks and things, you're able to do that with heat, which is absolutely perfect. The fibres are also super soft because of that heat resistant quality. This is a gorgeous kind of shorter style with lots of volume, textures and layers. The cap is available in an average size and also in a large size. So it's perfect if your head is on the larger side of the scale or kind of sitting in that average bracket. So it's really great and versatile for everyone. You can wear it just out the box or you can kind of style it yourself to make it more your own. I'm going to flip this cap inside out so we can take a closer look at how she's constructed. So across the front here we have got a lovely lace front. This means that it's going to look like the hair is growing it straight out of your scalp along the front there. You've also got a monofilament section at the crown, which again is going to shine it straight through to your scalp, giving it a very natural appearance. The rest of our wig here is open wefting, which is super stretchy, comfortable and breathable. Really lets air to flow all around the wig, keeping you nice and cool and comfortable. We do have little Velcro adjusters at the back here so you can get that wig fitting nice and snugly so it's going to stay in place all day long, as well as your little metal stays in your ear tabs, again just making sure that wig is the perfect fit for you. I'm going to get my hair all prepped and tucked out the way so we can pop this wig on and take a look at what she's looking like on. So I've just tied my hair up and I'm going to pop the Relax Wig on for you. So I'm just going to line that lace front up with my forehead and pull down the back of the cap so it's sitting at the nape of my neck. And I'm going to grab these little ear tabs and adjust them so that they're sitting perfectly on my temples. And I'm going to make sure that that front hairline is about 4 fingers width away from my eyebrows there. So this is the Relax Wig. Lengthwise, you've got about 10 centimetres at the fringe, 12 centimetres from the crown and 5 centimetres at the nape. You've got some lovely layers and textures. Again, these fibres are heat resistant, so you can add some fun little curls and flicks in if you wanted, or you can just pop it on straight out of the box like I have. This is in the shade Metallic Blonde Rooted, which is a lovely sort of icy, cool toned grey shade with that darker root there. But the Relax Wig is available in a whole variety of different colours, so I've got a couple of the other ones that we have in stock here to show you today. This is the shade Snow Mix, which is a lovely snowy white colour. You don't have the shaded root in this one, so if you prefer that kind of bright shade right up to your root, this is a perfect colour for you. Still got loads of dimension, which is really brought out with all those layers. It's a gorgeous colour. And the final shade I've got to show you today is Champagne Rooted, which is a lovely, warmer, very multi-dimensional blonde shade. You've got this darker root here, which gives a really natural kind of grown out appearance. And it has all these lovely highlights and lowlights running throughout. I'm going to do a little spin so you can see how the wig looks from every angle. You can also style this wig slightly pushed back if you wanted that fringe kind of more out of your face. Again, you can use heat to kind of get this wig to sit exactly how you want. I really hope you've enjoyed learning about the Relax Wig from the Ellen Wille Hair Power collection. This is a gorgeous, super lightweight, easy to wear, relaxed style with that heat resistant fibre so you can really personalise the look that she gives. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to the Judy Plum YouTube channel. You can follow Judy Plum across all social media and you can find me over on Instagram at Jen's Alopecia. Don't forget to check out our other wig review videos on the Judy Plum YouTube channel and head on over to the Judy Plum website to check out the full range of wigs available at the best prices with some great customer reviews. I'll see you again soon.